called out to a job today in Yowie Bay for a customer who's an iiNet customer. They've just moved into a new rental apartment here. They've got a house. They've just got to get the ADSL internet service on. There's about 6 sockets throughout the house. iiNet had told the customer that everything's working. It should be working fine. They could see it was working on their end. So the customer's plugged his router in and nothing happened. So they've told him they need to get someone to come out and take a look at it. So we've come out today to work out what's going on. So we found the leading cable here going to one of the sockets in the bedrooms. And then from there, we've run a test around to all the other sockets. All the other sockets are connected. But as you can see, I've got the lines test set, alligator clips there connected to the first pair. And we're not getting any voltage on that at all. There's no dial tone. It's not syncing with the exchange. There's just nothing going on here. It's totally dead line. So I'd say this is like an open circuit, probably at the pillar or something like that. So iiNet, you're going to need to contract Telstra to come out and actually get this customer going, because this is not an internal wiring issue. There's just no active service on the leading cable on the network side. All right, thanks, bye.